Hello guys, good morning. I'm here to make very delicious toast in Studi Teflon. Don't go anywhere guys. Keep following the video until it's finished. Before starting, please subscribe guys. Thank you. The other ingredients we will need to make toast. Of course, the most white bread. Here I use roti guys. Then the margarine because here I will make sweet toast like me. So I use meses and cheese. You can also fill the bowl with sugar. Alright guys, those were the ingredients to make the toast. Don't take long, let's make the toast, let's do it. First, prepare a plate to put the white bread on. Second, press the center of the white bread, then spread with margarine. Third, sprinkle white bread with meses. And sprinkle white bread with cheese. Then cover with a piece of white bread. Don't forget to press the edge of the white bread. Fourth, turn on the gas stove medium heat. Then heat the margarine until it melts. After then, add the white bread that was for the rear. Don't forget to press and slide the bread side. After that, flip the bread with a spatula. Press and slide the bread side again. and flap the bread with spatula again. After that, remove the toast with a spatula. Put the toast on a plate that is no less aesthetic. Finish, sprinkle the toast with your favorite topping. Here I use choki and cheese. Jeng jeng jeng. Jeng jeng jeng. You can also cut the toast in two. Tada! The delicious toast is ready. Very simple, isn't it? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.